Somebody's getting brave. Somebody's getting brave. Oh, never mind. She's like, just kidding. Back inside with me. You don't want to come out and play in the snow, Penny? Sorry, I know, the house is in a little bit of a state of disarray. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. If you didn't see the last video, I am out at a place called Macleod Creek, which is about 45 minutes from Calgary, where I live. And it is a year-round campground. It's first come, first serve this time of year. We spent a little time in the last video looking for a spot, but we found one. We've got shore power. All right, whoa, uh-oh. That's what happens when you don't tighten your tripod head. Where was I? We've got shore power, which is great. The heater has come up to speed. And of course, I'm just, and she's escaped. This might be an adventure. Whoa, the cat is out. Penny, what you doing, little girl? Hi, you're in the snow. How long till you want to come back inside? I'm just gonna chase her around the van. That's great. Penny. I'm not gonna lie, a little bit of me is panicking right now, but I want her to at least explore around and see. Although that could be just teaching her that it's okay to do this, which isn't the greatest either. Hi, Penny. What's going on, little girl? Hi. You love the snow? You want me to put your harness on? It's cold out here. Yes, it is. Hey, Penny. Kitty cat's in the snow. Come here. Come here. Good girl. So that's new for me and her. But I don't think she's really going to go anywhere. Like, if she starts to run, she's going to run into a snowbank and stuff, right? So. But now you're just going to track snow into Lucky. You crazy kitty. Hi. Oh, are you booping everybody on YouTube? That's nice of you. I guess we're back inside now. We should make sure Stella didn't get out. I'm assuming she's up on her perch. Hi, Stellies. How are you? You're like, where are we? This is what I was talking about. I've kind of said it before. Stella's always been the sort of, not scaredy cat, but the reclusive cat. So when that door was open, she could probably smell the outside. And she was like, nope, those are all new smells, right? It's okay. We're in a new place. It's really dark, so I probably shouldn't film much more of this because it's just going to look like nonsense on YouTube. I'm just in here warming up a little bit and then gonna go outside and try getting that fire going before it gets too dark. We still got daylight out right now. I do have to feed these guys before, although Penny's mowing the last of the hard food. I picked them up some wet food, specifically for this trip as well, but also because Stella's been on it for the last little bit because she had a little bit of a sick episode a few days back. And I also got them some catnip mice for later. I don't know why I'm whispering. They don't know what I'm saying. And while we're in here, we'll put on our nice warm slippers, 3 pairs of socks, and a pair of slippers. That's the van life when you don't insulate your floor. I'm okay with it. So I don't know if you guys saw the last video, but my Noco shore power plug-in on the outside, my ground post broke off, and this power strip that I have tells me exactly that. Not grounded. How bad is that? Let me know how quickly I should be bumping that up onto my list of things to do, replacing that as the thing to do. All right, you just ate, so we're gonna let Stella eat. So I've only got 2 bowls right now. So when I'm not doing the hard food with the cats, hang on. When I'm not doing hard food where they can just share the bowl and just eat at their leisure, when I'm feeding them specifically at times with wet food, it can turn into a little bit of a cluster F between the 2 of them because Penny always wants to eat no matter what. So we'll just kind of wrangle Penny at the back for now, or below me because she's here now. Which one do you want? Which one? You're a cat. You're not going to pick, are you? This one? Sound good? Okay. Indoor salmon pate, baby. It's about to smell real good in here. Here you go, girlfriend. No, stay here. Oh, she might do it on her own. When she's feeling under the weather, and she doesn't want to eat. I usually have to pet her really gently to get her to eat. Because like I said, you can be kind of, I think I said she wasn't skittish or whatever, but she can be. So past Matt lied to you. How does that make you feel? Yeah, we're out in the woods, Penny. We're out in the woods. Once I feed you, Dad's gonna go outside and build a fire. Sound good? Yep. So I know we're not like backwoods roughing it or anything, right? But this was that bottle of water I mentioned earlier. I think that might have been in the last video. Maybe it was this one. I don't know. About the frozen water supply again. So I've got the diesel heater chugging away, filling the cabinet with heat. Hopefully that'll thaw out. But I have this as backup. I mentioned that we're not backwoods camping. It's not like I can just leave if things got bad, right? Hey. And by bad, I mean like ran out of water. But we got power, I'm sure we'd be fine. Plus we've got snow that we could melt. Survival skills. Cat's done eating. I just finished offloading the first part of this video that I filmed because it took up all the storage on my phone. My iPhone is only 64 gigabytes. It's like the lowest storage capacity. So I'm constantly finding myself having to offload my footage, especially with the way I shoot. We're camping now, right? We're camping, we're here. And I didn't get any more beer, which normally would be a tragedy, but Lucky's got plenty of rum on board, and this is very quickly, I was gonna say it's very quickly becoming my new favorite rum. I think it's my new favorite rum. That's just the way it is. No, let's make a statement. It's my new favorite rum. Dead man's fingers, this stuff's great. So I whipped up a bottle with the Soda Stream, put some Pepsi in it, and then we added the good stuff. So this is what I will be carrying around with me tonight whilst I'm camping. Have a big old hit of this and then go chop some firewood. Yikes! I think we need to go like real lumberjack here. Because it's gonna be funny too. I didn't bring a proper axe with me. I only have my hatchet. But we should be fine. Well, let's get this on because it's not super cold out yet. But if I get out there and this is ridiculous then. But we need the toque to match then, don't we? I don't know where I put my Lucky toque. It's not lucky because it brings me luck. It's lucky because it's Lucky brand. Everything that we're gonna need to start this fire. 1, 2, 3. Because I'm a dirty city dweller that cheats. Come on, number 4. I don't want to go tearing through my junk drawer right now, yikes. Oh, good, the diesel fuel filter. Put that in the fire. It's about how good that thing is. Everything you need to drive yourself insane. Everything we need to start the fire besides the wood, which is at the front. I've got book of matches. I've got fire starter spray. That's what I meant by being a dirty city dweller. I'm gonna use, oh wait a second, we don't need the matches. All that time looking for the matches. We're gonna use this incredibly cool Benchmade knife that my little brother gave me almost a year or 2 ago now. It's really handy. It's the one that you always see hanging on my door if you've seen it. And also just because I don't wanna do too much damage to that Benchmade, I don't really wanna do damage to any knife. But then we're also gonna use our K-bar. And that should be all we need to start a nice, cozy, raging, but respectable fire. I guess before we get too carried away with the fire and stuff, while we still have light, just give you a quick look around the campsite here. Hang on, this is really deep snow. Look at this place, you guys. I don't know if this one's quite warm enough, but it's okay for now. Aside from that noise from the diesel heater, it's nice and quiet out here. Maybe tomorrow when it's really nice, we'll go for a little walk up this way. I can't imagine why that. I bet you this goes straight through to A loop, which if you missed the last video is actually blocked off. They've only got B, C, and D open. Actually, I think they only have B and C open. A and D closed off for the season. Like, this is the stuff. I've mentioned it before. I got to keep mentioning it because this is what's like really filling me with so much happiness. Is that I've never done stuff like this, and now I feel that push to be here. And now that I'm here, this is all I want. Everybody who winter camps is like, yeah, doy. Oh, man. Good catch. Guess we'll clean that up. I think it's going to stay. It's going to take a little bit more work. You can, I should have done this. Cotton balls with a little bit of Vaseline, they make great fire starters. Yeah, my fire's out. Vanlife in the woods. I'm going to work on this and get it going. This is pretty fun and pretty cool. Got it going. Obviously, I got it going. I just need to say, again, I just need to say thank you to all of my supporters on Patreon. This sort of video is one example of the kind of content that I am able to do because of the incredible support they provide over on that platform. That's the whole point of this little mini series of vlog entries for the channel, is that my way of sort of giving back and showing the synergy that can exist between the YouTube channel and the Patreon supporters. I just think that's such a cool tool that we have for people that want to support the content that people like me are creating. Content for you, and such good experiences for me. Until the next one, guys, just go out there, be happy, be creative, be yourselves, and most importantly, be positive. I'm gonna go enjoy this fire, and I'll see you all in the next one.